Come join me on my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of pigeons. Check out these amazing birds on the steps and rooftops. Aren't they just adorable? Look at this flock of white pigeons standing together in their cage. It's like a peaceful scene right out of a storybook. They are standing on the concrete floor, the wooden fence, and the wooden box. How charming is this? Here's a close-up of a pigeon on a brick wall. These birds love to gather on wooden crates and cages. They are eating from their feeder on the cement floor. Isn't it fascinating to watch them? Check out this bunch of birds walking around on a dirt floor. Pigeons love to explore the cage and the dirt lot. They are standing around in the fenced-in area. It's like a little adventure for them. Here's a group of birds in a cage outside of a building. These pigeons are enjoying their meal from the bowl. They are sitting on top of their nest in the doorway. How cozy is that? A group of white birds are eating from a feeder on the ground. These pigeons are standing next to each other on the dirt floor. Their heads are touching, creating such a lovely scene. How adorable is this? They are also sitting on a yellow pipe and a yellow bar. Look at this group of pigeons standing next to each other on the ground. These white pigeons are sitting on wooden boards next to a brick wall. Even a black and white pigeon joins in. How wonderful is this? They are also standing around their feeder. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to subscribe and support our feathered friends. Thanks for watching.